You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How to pronounce these words? There are two different pronunciations, slightly different pronunciations in English, British English and American English. Let's break them down. UK pronunciation: codify, co-de-fi. Stress on the first syllable, codify. Now in the US, the pronunciation is often as codify, codify, or codify. Did you get this? Let me know in the comments. Now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.